Monday, November 20th, they finished the walls on the upper room and over the stairwell. Now they're putting the rafters on there, and they've also finished the sheeting over the roof. Dropping in the last section of wall. Last wall section in place and working on the final rafters. So they have those walls in, and then there's going to be windows up there. So that's all framed in. They got the sheeting on that side of the roof over there. I haven't done this up here yet. Oh, they built us some steps here. Good. That gives you an idea with the wall there. You still have a clear view down. So, starting to take shape. Looking good. Got the rafters on the flat roof of the master suite. And then goes out beyond here. Good spec. So this is looking from the office over to the upper room there. So they've got all the wall in here, corner of the hallway. This is looking from the end of the hall next to the bathroom door out towards the upper room. You can see the one step there and then the steps going up. Wall up here. Windows at the top, you really can't see them from here, but that's what it's going to look like. Today is Tuesday, November the 21st, and they're framing in the barn office today, and we're going to have storage on top of the office as well. Wednesday, November 22nd, and the sun is trying to peek through, but I'm in the upper room, and you can see with the angle of the sun in the winter, the sun comes all the way back to the back wall. So that's really great. We positioned it for a southern exposure, take advantage of the sunlight in winter. And if you look down there, you can see the sun's coming all the way back into the back of the stairwell there. So that'll heat up the living room and take advantage of the sunlight in the winter. Some coming in the office here as well. So their focus today is on finishing the rafters over the master bedroom. They're putting the soffits on, and then hopefully they'll get the sheeting on today as well. So tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so they will take off for the rest of the weekend. All the framing done on the office. There's going to be a door here. And, got this all framed. So now we're ready for the electrician and the plumber. Get everything put in here and some heat. We're going to have radiant heat in the floor. That's those tubes right there. Just a small unit. and set it on 55. We don't need it real warm in here, just want to keep the water tank from freezing. I'm going to have a sink there, and then we'll have an on-demand hot water, just a small unit for that, because we won't need a lot of hot water out here. So very pleased, they were very efficient, got this all done yesterday.